Hey guys, this is Krishna. Welcome back for this new video. If you ever wondered what is ROI in real estate, you are in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, you know exactly how to calculate it and why it is crucial for investments. Let's go. Let's start with the basics. What is ROI? ROI stands for return on investment. It's a simple formula used by real estate investors that measure how much profit you're making compared to how much you have spent. It tells you how effective your investment is. A higher ROI means better returns. The ROI formula is going to be net profit divided by total investment cost multiplied by 100. Now, let's dive into how you actually calculate ROI for a property. Imagine you bought a rental property for 200,000, you spend 50,000 on renovations, and you then rent it out for 1,500 per month. After a year, you resell the property for 300,000. Your total investment is going to be 200,000 for the purchase price plus 50,000 on renovation, which equals 250,000. You're going to have rental income, which is 1,500 times 12 because you hold the property for a year, which is going to give us 18,000. We are also going to estimate the profit after you sold the property. So after a year, you sold the property for 300,000 when your initial investment was 250. So the 200 purchase price and the 50 for the renovation. So your profit there is going to be 50,000. We are also going to account for expenses. So that is anything that you have to pay throughout the year. So I'm referring here to repairs, fees, taxes, and we're going to say that the total of that comes down to 8,000. We are now going to calculate our net profit. So first, we're going to have the rental income that we had for the year at 18,000. To that, we're going to add the appreciation profit. So that was 50,000 that we calculated after we sold the property. And we're going to subtract our expenses, and we have the total at 8,000. So our net profit is going to be 60,000. So we are now going to plug everything into our ROI formula. So we're going to have the 60,000 for our net profit divided by our initial investment of 250,000. And we're going to multiply everything by 100, which gives us at the end 24%. Let's look at a much simpler example. So let's say you buy a property for 200,000. You renovate the property for 20,000 and you resell it for 250,000. So in this case, we are not accounting for rental income and we are not accounting as well for expenses. Our total investment in this case is going to be the 200,000 for the purchase price plus 20,000 for renovation, which equals 220,000. Our net profit here is going to be 250 at which we resold the property minus our initial investment of 220. So our net profit is going to be 30,000. As we plug everything in our ROI formula, we're going to have our net profit of 30,000 divided by 250,000, which was our initial investment, and we're going to multiply everything by 100. So in this case, our ROI is going to be 13.6%. ROI is important because it helps you compare different investment opportunities. Maybe you have to choose between flipping a house or buying a rental property. The ROI gives you a clear number to help you make that decision. The ROI isn't the only factor to consider in your decision, but it's one of the best ways to quickly evaluate if a property is worth your time and money. Here are some quick tips if you want to maximize your ROI. My first tip will be to do your research. So take the time to properly analyze your potential investment. And quick plug, this is something we help you here at HomeBase, our property analysis SaaS. I'm going to leave for you a link in the description so you can take it for a spin. For my second tip, try to get the best price by negotiating effectively. Manage your expenses by keeping costs low. My last tip for maximizing the ROI would be to increase the value of the property, which can be done by renovations or upgrading the property. Those small tweaks can make a huge difference in your final return. That's it, guys. That is ROI, or return on investment in real estate. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, or leave us a comment, whether you want to share your experience or you have any questions. And I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, this is Krishna. I hope you like the content. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, leave us a comment down in the comment section. Okay, so here at OamBase, we're gonna be discussing real estate concept. We're trying to make it easy for you to analyze your properties and select the best deal. So I'm going to include a link to the OamBase platform. There is a free trial. Give it a spin. Let us know what you think. And I'm also going to include some guides for you, especially if you're new on this real estate journey. Go ahead and check it out. But as well, if you're advanced, that could be a way for you to just refresh on concept, get a refresh on concept. So check out the guides, check out the platform. Let us know what you think. Let us know what we can do, what we can improve for you. We're going to get to that, and I will see you in the next video.